Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for coming. สวัสดีครับสบายดีไหม 你好，你好 you. Well, okay, thank you so much for coming in. Wow, the moment I come in, I can see you. All right, thank you so much for all these great things here. Well, we have a great week ahead. Okay. That's good, that's good. All right, thank you so much. Hi, Hubert. Hi, well, who is this? Okay, 漫歪你好 alright, CK， 这个 Mr. 虾好了 OK，Mr. 虾你好，对不起，对不起，OK，好了，来，OK， now let's see, alright, when I see Mr. 虾, it relates to CK, right, สวัสดีครับผม OK. Alright, so yeah, it's coming to the end of the week, okay, and well, this week I think still quite smooth, and we are still running on a very smooth journey. Alright, so thank you so much, guys, for coming in. Alright, so in this session, okay, what we are going to do is that we are going to do our Forex trading plan for the 2021 October 22nd to help all of us here to have a clear picture, clear directions on how are we going to trade on our Forex currency. All right, so yes, I will be conducting this session in English and also in Mandarin as well. All right, thank you so much, Mika. Thank you so much. All right, hi Roger, 你好。哇，今天怎么了？今天的天气很好 在 KL 都是凉爽的哈，是好 OK， 那是非常好的，谢谢你。OK，好的，那么呢，在这里哈，我这个节目呢会用双语啊来进行，就是一个是英语，一个是中文，好不好？OK，Alright，so without any delays, remember to trade with your proper risk management. Alright, so never oversize trading on your forex investment. Alright, so yeah, let's go into our Aussie CAD. Alright, quickly without any delays. Alright, so over here, let's take a look at what we have. What do we have here in Aussie CAD here? Alright, Aussie CAD, what we are looking for yesterday. Yeah, okay, and let's see. Yesterday, indeed, we have a little short on the Aussie CAD. Well, okay, it's turning. Okay, still struggling in that area. So, what are we heading for today? Today, for Aussie CAD, we are still looking for a selling. All right, we are still looking for selling on Aussie CAD. However, okay, in this Aussie CAD here, actually, to be exact, we are actually trading in the. We are going to have a retesting. Okay, we are going to retest the support level here. So one touch, two touch, and now we are still looking for a sellers are still selling at a lower price. Okay, so we are still looking for a short selling opportunity. Okay, so over here we are still retesting. We are going to retest the support level over here right now. So we are still looking for a short opportunity. So Aussie CAD for as for today, okay, we are looking for a chance that we can short. Okay, however, the resistance level is still pretty near to the resistance level is still pretty near to the support level. Okay, so over here, I would say that probably we need to wait for it to retrace upwards here. Okay, this area. Okay, this area of resistance. Then we can short. All right, we have another 17 or 18 pips of space before it hits on the support level. All right, as long as you grab on the correct entry point. All right, so Aussie CAD is still on the retesting side. Okay, so we can take note about Aussie CAD. All right, but make sure it hits on the resistance to break the support. Okay, all right， 好，澳加可以做空，因为现在正在看到它重踩这个支撑位置哈，所以呢，在这个要重踩这个支撑位置的过程里面呢，会有一部分要做空的这个旅程啊，因为有好多的这个做空的交易员呢，正在要继续在更低的价位再卖出这个澳币对加币哈 ，OK， 所以还是有机会。嗨 CK 你好，刚才就很早就叫了你名字，你还没出来就叫了你了哈，因为看到 Mr. 夏就是无形中就想到你了哈。OK， 好了，那么这个 Aussie Yen, alright, let's take a look at Aussie Yen. Aussie Yen is something that I've been paying attention to, alright, so we are now into the bear market. It's just that we are into the bear market right now, yes, officially into the bear market, but again, of course, when you go into a bear market, I cannot say that it will definitely go one straight line with 100 of pips or one candle to short, am I right? So there will be bound to have some retracement. Okay, so now this morning we hit on the resistance here. Now we are we are actually going down for a short right now. All right. So tentatively, okay, what we are heading for is resistance right now. Okay, so looking at H4 is hitting on the support become a resistant area. Okay, where this is quite good for me to see. Okay. There's one thing that we have to pay attention to is just in case it may go up, okay, to form the resistance and come down again. Okay, that may be possible as well. All right, so we also need to take note about this kind of possibilities. Okay, so tentatively, all right, I'm still looking at it to short. So we have already hit on this, and now to the support level, we still have a 30 over pips. So for this Aussie Yen, okay, we can also pay attention today. All right, look out for the correct entry point. Okay, right. Okay, that's good. All right, and now Alfrago, right? Alfrago, nice to see you here, Alfrago. All right, thank you so much. Okay, thank you for your kind words that brighten up my days. Okay, and thank you so much for waking up so early as well. All right. Okay, so now, okay, Aussie Kiwi, Aussie Kiwi. All right, let's take a look at Aussie Kiwi. Aussie Kiwi over here. Well, we have been looking for a bear for the past few days since the day over here on the 14th. Okay, and now it has been going short. But we have been hovering around on the support level over here, which I drew here. Okay, and it's still here. All right, but looks like today. Okay, looking at this point here, the it looks like there's a good chance to short for Aussie Kiwi. All right, Aussie Kiwi. But make sure it breaks the support level. The support level has been pushed down to a little bit lower. So make sure it actually breaks the support level over here before we actually start trading on the Aussie Kiwi. Make sure a new resistance below the support level, then we short. All right, OK。澳纽可以关注哈，澳纽可是一定要等它突破这个支撑位置以后呢，我们才可以做空。突破了之后，在下面要有一个新的压力位才能做空哈。OK, alright. Hi, good morning, Mark. Nice to see you here again. Wow, you are really an early person, huh? Okay, so I hope you have a great day, and I hope you have benefit something from my videos. Alright, okay, so yeah. Yesterday, somebody from Kensington, okay, in London, all right, so was telling me that you have to follow my video because it's like a drama, you know, it's like a series drama. Every day you're going to have something, and it's all related. So make sure you follow me every day. Well, that's cute. All right, thank you so much. Okay, so yeah. So now let's come in again on Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar. All right, Aussie dollar. We are still in the bear market right now. Okay, okay. Aussie dollar. Tentatively, we are still in the bear. So in the bear right now, we are also hopefully to look out for one resistance that actually give us a very good a good way to actually to short it. However, in this bear market, actually it actually went up for this retracement. Like I said, I'm still waiting for it to reach this this level before I can do a short over here. Reason behind is that I will still be waiting for it to hit that level to be conservative enough so that we have more space and to be sure enough to short to sell this Aussie dollar. Because as you can see, tentatively right now, it is still in the trending of buying. Okay, so yesterday I short this is because yesterday we are talking about this is but it's short is because it's actually retracing in this retracement here to back to the bear, but it's not strong enough, you see. All right, so it's still hitting on this average here to move up again. So tentatively Aussie dollar I'm going to skip for today. All right, I'm going to skip it for today. 好，澳美的话呢，还是有上升的机会呢。那么现在来说的话呢，一般来看的话呢，它现在呢还是在往上升，因为支撑都出现了哈，这里的支撑都出现，所以呢，我倒看着它还是会有继续往上升的这个现象。所以呢，澳美我是没办法做空了哈。All right, so next, Euro Aussie. All right, Euro Aussie, Euro Aussie. Okay, Euro Aussie. Yesterday, we were talking about Euro Aussie, and maybe it's not good enough because it has been supported right over here, and indeed it's still moving upwards. Okay, so now today is actually showing a sign of resistance somewhere somehow. But this way, you must identify, is this a resistance? Actually, this may not be a resistance. In fact, it can be the ending of the retracement. Okay, the ending of the retracement. So remember, in Forex market, you always have a starting point to go for a bull. And this is a starting point, but it has not formed the bull market yet. So this part here is the retracement. Okay, in the bear market, when it hits on one of the so-called resistance here, it becomes this retracement becomes the ending of the retracement coming back to the prevailing trend. That actually this part here is actually the transition of the retracement back to the prevailing trend. Okay, back to the prevailing bear trend. So this part here, I don't have the very clear directions about where am I going. So I will just give it a miss. All right. Okay, so thank you so much. Okay, all right. So let's move again. Okay, so Euro Aussie, I'm going to give you a miss. All right. Okay, so Euro cat over here. We are still in the bear market and still hovering around the support level. Okay, so this is still very struggling. Okay, and let's see, the support level is still pretty near to us. Okay, so if you want me to short this Euro cat, I would say the space here, 19 pips against the 24 pips, we are in the middle of nowhere. So the chances are 50-50. So most likely, either you get the ranging, all right, or your risk reward it doesn't work so well for this instance, so I will just give you a miss. Alright, Euro cat. OK，好了，这个欧加呢，现在在半天哦，半天吊哈，上也不是，下也不是的，支撑靠近，压力靠近，这种啊，这盘整的机会很大，所以呢，这种我就不做了。OK，好吧。All right, Euro pound. Yeah, yesterday we have a retracement up there and ranging for a little while, no way to go. Okay, so of course, I hope the in general, okay, EU and also the crisis right now in UK, okay. Of course, I don't want to go through the Christmas without any shortage of food supply. But I think the new policy coming out is, I think, quite a good one that is going to solve the issue. The pound should be regaining, okay, the power. So tentatively, it's still at the verge of recovering. So I will just give you a miss for Euro pound. Okay, trading on this part here. Okay. All right, so Euro yen. Let's take a look at Euro yen. Euro yen is something that I'm looking forward as well. Okay, we are actually in the bull. Okay, this part is the bull where it's actually going very strongly, and we entered into the bear coming down now. All right, but again, this part here. We also have to be very careful to identify whether is there a downward trending. Then we can start to short. Okay, all right. So for Euro yen, we can pay attention to. However, same thing. Okay, let's see. The resistance, oh, just nice. We have already hit the resistance early this morning. Okay, here. So we are going short. We have about 20 over pips to short. Okay, once it breaks this part here, take a short-term profit. After this part, we will be able to go for a better one. All right. Okay, so Euro yen, I will pay attention to that. 欧日的话，我们可以关注欧日，因为呢，欧日呢，我们这里关注的话呢，现在目前OK，在这一段里面呢，它呢现在呢，在这一个在这一段里面呢，我们这样看的话它呢现在呢有往下跌的趋势，不过在这个阶段里面只有20几个点，我们可以拿一个短暂的盈利。之后，如果它能突破这个支撑的话，这就是我真正想要看到的盈利空间OK，这个才是我真正想要交易的地方。不过当然，这个是可以做的啦OK， 好不好 ？Alright, so Euro Kiwi. Let's take a look at Euro Kiwi. Right, Euro Kiwi. Wow, supported and meets up with here. It meets a retracement. The end of the retracement over here. Finally, okay, the retracement is ending, coming back. So now we are in the transition. So once it breaks this support over here, okay, aqua line should have cut below the white line, the crossover here, and very likely is going to break the support. Okay, so Euro Kiwi, maybe the next week. I will pay attention next week, not today, definitely. Okay, but it's potential, right? 欧牛我们等下个星期看吧。现在只是刚刚进入了这个回调的结束的空间还在转换，所以呢，等下个星期才来看一看吧。OK， 好不好？All right, so euro dollar. Okay, euro dollar over here. Well, euro dollar, we are still facing this area of support here. So very likely it may retrace upwards. Okay, it may retrace upwards. Okay, since this morning when the market opening, I think we are already on the support over here. So area of resistance is still pretty near as well. Okay, so I think this one I will monitor it first. I won't really take action on this. All right, I won't really take action on euro dollar yet. Okay, all right. So give you a miss for today. 欧美要今天我先让它错过吧哈。Okay, if we want to trade euro dollar, okay, unless it breaks the support, and form a new resistance below the support here, then I short. Okay, alright. 欧美的话要做空不是不可以，只是说现在目前一定要先突破这个支撑，要突破这个支撑以后呢，新的压力位置出现才有办法做空哈。现在目前是这个样子 ，OK。However, I will still see the euro dollar. There's a good chance to short, huh? Okay, but maybe today a bit slow, so just be patient to wait. Maybe second half or next week. All right. Okay, so now pound Aussie, right? Pound Aussie. We are now looking at some support over here, so it's still on the retracement. So the retracement is still running very strongly for a buy. So tentatively, I will not do any selling for pound Aussie, right? I won't be doing any selling for pound Aussie right now, okay? Because tentatively, I will still see that the buying is still very strong to push. I guess it will be, yeah, I think very likely the new resistance level have to be around this area so that it will end the retracement. So very likely this is not going to be enough for me to sell, okay? So just leave it alone first, okay? Alright, so over here 棒澳的话就不要做了哈，棒澳的话呢，暂时呢还是有回调做多的现象啊 ，OK。Alright, pound cat. Let's take a look at pound cat. Pound cat. Okay, pound cat looks good today. Okay, after the support been running up so high up, and now let's take a look. Okay, retracement, is it still running on? No more. Okay, we are in this part here trying to beat the resistance. Okay, pound cat, is it still very good? I would say that pound cat right now, you have to know how to capture the pound cat from the retracement here. All right, why am I saying so? Because pound cat tentatively, actually what we can see that the pound cat buyers are still pushing. The buyers are still pushing. I will use okay, let's use this chart. I think it's clearer. The buyers are still pushing gradually towards the resistance level. As you can see, buyers keep buying at a higher price, like here, like here, like here, like here. Okay, over here, over here, over here, this way, this way, this way towards the resistance level is a sign of breaking the resistance. So if there's if it hits on the resistance and it doesn't break, there's a retracement backward. You are able to capture it. Okay, you can capture it, but this type of trading you have to be very very sharp. All right. So pound cat, I will give it a miss today tentatively. Okay. All right. So pound yen. All right. Pound yen. Okay, and okay, pound yen over here. Pound yen, tentatively pound yen, I'm still looking for a selling. Okay, we are entering into the bear transition. Okay, that means to say the whole trend. Okay, the whole trend here. All right, the whole trend over here. The bear is here. The bull is here. So it's entering into the bear area, whereby this bear area, it has a good chance that anytime pound yen is going to U-turn back to form a short selling market. All right. So over here, what we are going to go into in depth is that we have to make sure the transformation of the direction is showing up. If not, we cannot do any selling yet, even though we are in that area. Okay. All right. So over here, I will say that tentatively H4 is showing some resistance. Okay. So the resistance is pretty nice here, okay, and support, I think quite down here. All right, so let me check in. Right, yep, that's right. So H1, there's a resistance over here already. H1RD with a V here. So turning down to about 40 pips of space to hit the support. Chances are very high. All right. So pound yen, we can also take note. Okay. So make sure that the entry point, okay, is sharp enough. Okay, please make sure for pound yen. All right. 好，半日可以做空，这个压力已经达成了哈。现在呢，我们往下跌了，有40几个点的空间。那么呢，在这40几个点的空间里面，尽量去找一个进场点，然后呢，才来做空。OK， 这个进场点一定要找得准哈，因为半日这个比较敏感，这个部位，这个现在到的这个阶段呢是比较敏感的。OK。 Alright, so for pound kiwi, no, we are on the support already. We are entering into the bull. So now the bull has been supporting up, forming a new higher low. Higher low is also equal to a new support with a red green candle. Now directions changing, and H1 is still in the retracement. So no way. Aqua above the white line, very clear cut retracement is still ongoing. So no way to sell. Is it good to buy? Well, let's see. We'll have about 30 over pips of space to buy before it hits on the resistance. Okay, before it hit on the resistance and coming to the end of the retracement. But of course, it's not really advisable. Alright, so just take note. Okay. Alright, so 棒牛呢是只能做多不能做空，做多只有30个点的空间，而且是逆势交易，所以我也是不是很建议哈。OK。Alright, so yep. Let's go with pound dollar. Pound dollar, we are actually experiencing this resistance, but we are in the middle. All right. So, however, we still have a chance to short for pound dollar. Okay, we have a chance to short for pound dollar, but looking at the trend over here, we need to look out for the support level. Are we still on the buying side? Is the buyer still pushing for a higher price? We also have to take note. All right. So, pound dollar over here right now, we're on the support here and. H1, if you want to short for this, I will prefer that if you can break the support, then you short for pound dollar. All right, pound dollar, you must break the support. Must. It's a must to break the support before you can short. All right. Okay, so pound dollar, make sure it breaks the support before you enter for a trade. After you break the support, please wait for a new resistance. Green and red candle appears, then you sell. Okay, all right. But however, I'm not going to take note about this pound dollar. All right, dollar cat over here. Dollar cat. Let's take a look. Dollar cat. We are still in the bear market, but having a retracement today, and it's not ending yet. So I'm going to give you a miss. All right. So dollar yen over here. Dollar yen. Right, dollar yen, we're still there, not yet. It's still not yet. Okay. Today is still running a bit of support. Okay, this support is still very strong. Dollar yen, there's only one way you can do. All right, break the support. It must break the support. Okay, dollar yen. When it breaks the support, then you will be able to short. But dollar yen looks good to short, okay? But it must break the support level, okay? 美日的话呢，就得要先突破这个支撑位置 ，OK？ 那么它一突破这个支撑位置的话，才能做空。虽然它是有这个潜能啊，可以做空啊，但是呢，我还是认为说它一定，我这样看的话呢，它的支撑位置太靠近了，所以呢，就一定要先突破这个支撑位置才可以做空 ，OK， 好不好 ？Alright, so yep, let me sum up what do we have today, okay? Okay, let me see. Alright, so we have this Aussie cat, Aussie yen, Aussie kiwi, Euro yen, pound yen, dollar yen. Alright. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for attending this video. Remember to click on the like button, subscribe, and also give me a bell so that you will be able to see the notification whenever I go live. Alright, thank you so much, guys, for attending this session. I hope you like my video. Remember to give me a thumbs up. Okay, thank you so much for your appreciation, your kind words over here, all over. Alright, thank you so much for all this that push me to go further. I wish you good luck in your trading and bountiful of profits today. Alright, remember to leave your comments if you have benefited some profits from my videos. Leave a comment below and that will really push me far. Alright, thank you so much, guys. See you next week. Enjoy your weekend. And this is everything from ACS Learning Hub. See you again.